In this video, we will calculate the increase in annual depreciation cost when a company adds new equipment and expands its assembly plant. Here is the problem statement. The key phrase says we must use the depreciation rates from the production cost report. Let's place those rates on the screen first. We will assume the report lists two relevant rates. Workstations depreciate at 20% per year, and building additions depreciate at 5% per year. Now, we compute the total cost of the new workstations. There are 50 workstations at $75,000 each. So the total equipment cost is 50 times $75,000. The report says workstations depreciate at 20% per year. So we multiply the cost by 0.2. This gives the annual depreciation from the new workstations. Next, we handle the assembly plant addition. The company spends $10 million on the new plant space. The report says building additions depreciate at 5% per year. So we compute 5% of 10 million. Now, we add the two depreciation amounts together. The annual increase is 750,000 plus 500,000. That equals $1,250,000 per year. Let's do a quick recap. We found the total cost of the workstations, multiplied by the equipment depreciation rate, then found the depreciation on the plant addition using the building rate, and finally added those two yearly amounts. So the company's annual depreciation cost rises by $1,250,000.